Salutations, everybody. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on now. We best friends. Let's get it. So, on to the look. I'm taking my Farsali 24 karat rose gold elixir. It's a awesome moisturizer for the skin. It's an absolute must for me every time I apply makeup to my face. So I'm grooming my eyebrows. Then I'm going in with just a black eyeshadow. Doesn't matter where it's from. So just sculpt the eyebrow. Fill it in. All the way to the tail end. So next, I'm taking my NYX concealer. And my starting point is my nose. So I begin there from the bottom. And begin to sculpt my eyebrow. Just very carefully. It takes a lot of patience for eyebrows. But we can get it right. So we're starting at the top now. And continue to sculpt. And now I'm just blending it out. Just very carefully. Blending out all that concealer. You don't want any harsh lines. And at the beginning of the eyebrows, I just brush up so that it's still light, like my natural brows. And that's the finished look for the eyebrows. And now I'm going to prime the face with Farsali Unicorn Essence. Next, I'm taking my NYX Illuminator and Bare Minerals and Chai. Putting that all around and blending that out. The orange spots you see, I just concealed the dark spots in my life off camera. But all in all, I'm just mixing that all out. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I'm taking my NARS concealer in caramel. Putting that under both eyes. Along the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And now I'm just blending that out. So I'm taking these two powders. One is Fit Me in Coconut. The other is L'Oreal True Match in Caramel Beige. I'm taking the coconut and putting that where I had put the NARS concealer. And then everywhere else I'm putting the Caramel Beige in L'Oreal. So this is What's Up. It's a highlighter by Too Faced. Absolutely love it. And I'm putting that my décolleté. I'm just gonna blend that out. And then, of course, because I'm extra, I'm putting it on my lips. Duh. Along the bridge of my nose. And the highlights on the sides of my face. So I'm gonna blend that out just a little bit. And I'm gonna use it as a highlight under my eyebrows as well. And blend it out. So this is Artist Couture's Cocoa Bling, my favorite highlighter. Look how beautiful that is. It's heaven sent. Come on, it's heaven sent, okay? So I'm gonna put that on the bridge of my nose. So awesome, oh my gosh. Everywhere that I had put the Too Faced highlighter, that's basically where I'm putting Cocoa Bling to kind of set everything and blend it out. I'm putting it right as the highlight of my eye, right under my eyebrows. So next I'm taking Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder in Cognac, and I'm just adding some definition to my eyes. Just so that it's not so plain looking. And now I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and blending that in. Just in the outer corner and blending it in so it's softer towards the beginning of my eye. So now I'm taking Kat Von D's tattoo liner, my absolute favorite liner. It basically does the work for you. You just need a steady hand. And it stays for a long time. It's like the blackest black. So I'm taking Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Putting that in the upper and bottom lashes. And now I'm taking 2 lipsticks. This one is Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Rum Punch. And I'm just kind of putting that on the outer parts of my lips. And then I'm taking MAC's Nicki Minaj, the pink print. And that's more so in the middle of my lips. So once I had put it together, it wasn't enough, so I put brown liner to outline my lips. And it just pulled the look together. All right, and that's the finished look, hunties. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial.